Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Spotify account. It's really easy to do. It's actually not done on the Spotify app on your phone. It's actually done over your web browser. So whether you're on Android or iPhone, it's pretty much the same exact way. So it's pretty easy to do on either one. So you want to go on either Safari or Chrome, whatever your web browser is, open it up. And then you want to head over and search for Spotify. Go over to Spotify's website. And then you're just going to want to sign in here to your account. So just click on login. And then you guys can just sign in here. I'm just going to sign in with my Apple ID here. And once you're signed into your account here, you want to go to the top right. You'll see 3 lines right beside your little profile icon. Click on the 3 lines. And then you guys want to click on Help. Once you're in Help, you want to scroll down until you see Account and Payment. Click on Account and Payment. Scroll down a bit more and click on Account Help. And once you're on Account Help, you guys want to keep scrolling down and you will see an option to close your account. Now, it's very important. If you're on premium, you have to go through this route here and contact them to close your account just because you're on a subscription service. And if you are on a free account like I am right here, you could just click on Close right here. So contact form. And we'll just wait for this to load here. All right, so we're going to scroll down and you want to click on Account. And then you just want to click on I want to close my account. And we just got to keep scrolling down here. And it's going to give you an option just trying to get you to stay on here and say keep, or you can keep going down and you will see an option to close your account here. So you want to click on close account. And then you want to click on just close account again. Scroll down, continue. And then you just want to click on I understand. It's just letting you know that you will lose all the information you had, your saved music, podcast playlists, your followers, all that stuff you will lose if you go through with this. So just want to click I understand, then continue. And then it just lets you know that you got to check your email to close. Once you go to your email and confirm, your account will now be closed. The link will expire after 24 hours. But anyways, it's really easy to do. I hope I was able to help you guys out with it. If I was, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.